This is Pooja Shri here to present my task 2 on the Sparks Foundation Global Rotational Internship Program. My task 2 is predictive analysis on students' percentage using supervised learning. First, we are installing the Seaborn, which is used to produce heat maps and etc. Next, we also import the required library like Pandas, NumPy, Matplotlib, and Seaborn. Here we import train test split and linear regression for performing splitting the data set and performing the linear regression. Next, the URL is given from which the data is read using CSV format. This is the head of the data, like first 10 rows are displayed. So our next step is to visualize and analyze the data. To visualize the data, we are using data info, which visualizes the column name and the number of non-null rows and the data type present in it. Then we are describing the data, like it gives the count of each columns, mean of each column, standard deviation, minimum and 25% and maximum of each columns. Next comes the heat map. After this heat map, the next step is plotting the distribution of the score. By plotting the distribution of the score, we are finding that when in relation with hours versus percentage, we have like positive side. When a number of hours increases, the percentage of marks also increases. Then preparing the data for the next step. Then training the algorithm data. After training, we are plotting the test data using previously trained data set. Here we can see that same thing, like positively it shows the positive prediction. Next, the predicting of data is using test. We are comparing the actual versus predicted data set. Here it is almost nearby values. For better understanding of the model fitting, we will compare this actual and predicted so that it is trained well. Like accuracy is not very bad. For that purpose, we use actual versus compare the actual versus predict. Next, the testing of the data set. Here for sample we are taking like hours, 9.25 hours. How many what is the predictor score will be? If a student study for 9.25 hours, his percentage predictor score will be like 93.6, like it is almost 94% he'll get. So the next comes the evaluation of the model. Evaluation of the model shows the error, like how many percent of error we will get in this prediction, in this training data set, how many error we will get. So it shows the absolute error and squared error and root mean squared error. So here we have completely successfully implemented the model and have received the output. The important thing that we need to keep in mind that the model works only for the dataset we provided. The results may change if the dataset is changed, and thus we need to optimize the model again and again. Thank you.